I'm super excited. I'm heading to a private pick in Lucas, Texas. About a 2-hour drive from my house. I think it'll be worth it. It's never been picked, and they're truly looking to get rid of everything.
Hi.
Hopefully, I can find some things that will benefit them if I buy them, and hopefully I'll find a few things that benefit me too. And if they give me permission, I will film inside. So let's go do this. All right, this is the place that I'm at. There is a crew here working. I've been given permission to film, so we're gonna do some walk around. And I'll kind of give you an idea. They own all the way back there. Everything is free game. Including the old metal fireplace insert. And let's go into the garage here. Probably take the wheelchair. Those are Nakona boots. Wranglers. I was hoping he was a Levi's guy. But pretty much everything is game. There is some old stereo equipment I want to check out. And they moved a lot of the stuff out of the house and boxed it up. Got some Shiny Bright in there. That is an old 8-track player. The house has been cleared out to some extent, but let's go check it out. Old Singer sewing machine. I think the closets are all fair game. Fanny packs. I don't know if there's lights in there or not. The house is being completely renovated. I know the light's a little low. I don't know what's in the bags yet. All the closets are fair game. Pretty much anything I want to go. They said there's nothing that they're saving. None of the cupboards have been emptied. I wonder about the mirror. I don't know. I haven't asked. All right. Let's take a quick view of the living room, which has been pretty much emptied. I need to go check out the painting, see what that is. There is an upstairs, and we'll go up there in just a minute. Oh, there's a interesting piece. A lot of this stuff is pressboard. It's made in the 70s, but it can still be redone if somebody wants to do that. I'll have to check out the boxes and things. This is the master bedroom and bath. And they told me they did not do anything with the closet, so we'll definitely check that out. Definitely got some age to it. Let's see if there's something on this side. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm excited to get in here. There it goes. There's hats, there's clothes. I have no idea what's in this closet. That is going to be so much fun to dig through. I imagine all of this will be redone. All right, we will come back in here super excited about the closets. Turn off the lights till I get back down. All right, let's go upstairs and see if there's anything up there. Air Strider. Water heater. Oh, look at this. Look at the light switch. Most of the books are staying. He wants to keep the books for this library. Now they said if there's any of them that are really good, then those are fair game. I do like stuff like this down here. Flying regulations. That's probably a reprint. Look at this thing. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Is that a thing? Oh my gosh. That goes out into the attic. A couple of pool stick or snooker, I guess. Is that what that is? And electronic equipment. Another pair of boots back there. And this closet is just stuffed full of stuff. And my understanding is all fair game. It's just a matter of checking it out. Oh, there's more. This is a huge house. The bookshelves, I don't know if those go. Oh my goodness, this place is packed with stuff. This place is packed. Kodak carousel. Video camcorder bag. Okay. At some point, I have to stop and go to work. What about that? Light fixtures. Oh, that's a Tandy computer. Tandy 1000. There's another bedroom up here. Or bathroom, maybe? A little bathroom. Unbelievable how much stuff there is. Oh, I think it's a print. Okay. Guys, let's check this out. It's an old bomber jacket. Oh, that's got a lining in it. Old Dodgers jacket. Oh, that's corduroy. East Texas State jacket, Alpha Phi Omega jacket, U.S. Air Force jacket, disabled vet. Is it just a denim jacket? Swingster disabled American veteran. Nothing on the back. Alaska. That is embroidered USA something. Holloway disabled American veterans. It says Sheplers on it. United States Air Force. What is that? Champion. Oh my god, that's awesome. Sears. Another leather jacket. Dunbrook satin jacket. What's it? Says something on it. Circle Ranch. What is this? David James. God, that looks new. Everything is covered. Heaven. I don't know what brand that is. I don't think it's a Levi. Oh, wait a minute. Disabled American veterans. Just finding out. Yeah, I have to check the back of these. U.S. Air Force. No way. Satin jacket. Far East tour. That looks like a suit. Nope. St. John's Bay is chamois. What is this? Disabled American veteran jacket. It's another satin jacket. Cheyenne, Wyoming. Frontier Days. United States Air Force. $1989. Oh my gosh. Oh, no way. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Look at that. That's not old. Towards the front of the closet now. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like that. I might wear that. Uh-oh. Patches. It's just covered in patches. This looks like a suit. That's a suit, Western suit. Another Western suit. And a Western, is that a suit or a shirt? A Western suit. Truly one of the most fantastic closets. I can't even talk. I've pulled in a long time. But we haven't done that closet. You can't walk in here. I appreciate you walking through this house with me. I hope that you enjoyed it and hope you saw some things that were exciting to see. We saved a lot of stuff from winding up in the dump. And the dump, people were working around me. I saved as many of the electronics as I could. I filled my truck up. The family that invited me was super happy that I was able to save any of it. So I appreciate you watching. Hopefully soon I will have a what sold and show you some of the things out of this that we sold. And that's it for this one. I appreciate you watching. I'm going to see you real soon on the next one. Bye.